What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're actually going to be making some side splitters, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get yourself a set of $26 side splitters. Stay tuned. Guys, welcome back to another video. Before we do jump into today's video, please make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. And if you guys find this video helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. I'm going to be ordering some easy side splitters, but I like the ones with a big winglet. And as you guys know, easy splitters start around $150 to $198, and then after taxes and everything, price is just, it goes up. So I wanted to try something a little different, knowing how I like to do things on the car. I like to be original. I'd like to try to make things myself. So went ahead and head to Home Depot, and I actually bought some fence posting. So it comes in a square, and it's about like 7 or so feet long. It's white. They have two different sizes. I got the biggest one. It's $26. And like I said, it does come in a square. And what I did was I just cut basically two of the sides off. One side leaving just a little bit of a lip, as you can see. Okay, I don't know how well that shows. And now you have some side splitters. So what we're gonna go ahead and do now is pretty much just go ahead and sand this. I'm gonna paint it flat black, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw it on the car. But just to get an idea, I don't think it'll fit under there right now because the front end is pretty much sits on the floor. But just to get an idea, I don't think it's not gonna stick out that far, but it's gonna look really cool though, that's for sure. Alright guys, went ahead and sanded them both down with 320 grit, and then I went ahead and sprayed some degreaser, wiped it off. We'll give it another wipe, and then for paint, actually I'm just gonna go ahead and use some Rust-Oleum flat black. Guys, I got everything set up, and let me tell you, this is not the time to be painting. It is so windy out, of course. But I'm going to try my absolute best. Why is my camera zooming in by itself? Man, at 5K, guys, at 5K subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and treat myself to a much better camera with a mic adapter. So I think it's time. But at 5K, so subscribe. Help me out, please. But anyways, guys, so we have it all set up. This is what we're going to go ahead and use. It's just Rust-Oleum satin protective enamel. It's going to be satin black, basically. It is way too windy to be doing this. You can see them just flopping around. So I may just have to finish it off later, or actually I think I'm gonna do it inside. But I went ahead and threw down a very light coat, as you can see. That's how you wanna go ahead and do it. Light coats first, and then second coat a little heavier, third coat a little heavier, and so on and so forth. We're all set up in the garage now. Got it open a little bit just to vent out. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my fan on as well. But now this should come out a lot better. Alright guys, I don't know what happened. I set you up and it for some reason did not record. But I went ahead and got the second coat down. Again, this is going to be satin. So once it dries, it'll flatten out. And just so you guys know, this may not be permanent color-wise. When we do get the car painted, which you guys don't know the color yet, I'm thinking about trying something new and actually having these paint matched to the car. I think it'll look really good. Sorry if I sound muffled as well. I have my mask on. It's, you know, fumes and stuff. But nonetheless, it's looking really, really good. I'm not too worried about the inner edge. That's going to be on the inside. Same thing there. So yeah, once this dries, it should look good. We'll go ahead and probably put another 2 coats down, most likely. Alright guys, so this is how they turned out. Not too bad. It's actually like a semi-gloss, it looks like, but I think this will be cool for right now. And like I said, we will end up redoing it, definitely. Either it's gonna be paint matched, or I'll just end up wrapping this in either a flat gloss or whatever we decide. So right now I have the car running, so we can go ahead and get it fully aired up. But let me just take a second to show you guys. We are actually moving. So we're not going to be in this garage much longer, unfortunately. No, I'm just playing. So my roommate's actually moving out, so we are going to have so much more storage and just room for activities. I'm excited about that part of it. So, but anyways, nonetheless, let's go ahead. Oh, check out made this Rick and Morty sticker as well. Pretty fire. Let's go ahead and get it aired up. My car be like a freaking storage unit right now, dude. It's just full of boxes, exhausts, everything. Alright guys, so I had to jack it up. So for today, we're gonna do just one side, so you guys will see it for the purpose of the video. The other side we'll do another time. But I got one screw held in, and now I'm gonna pretty much just go along. And that's about how far it's gonna stick out. So I think that's actually perfect. So I'm just gonna use some self-tappers and just kind of do the whole thing. Let's get it done. There it is right now. It's pretty sturdy. I'm running out of self-tappers, so I'll pick up more and we'll put more in there. But I mean, nonetheless, it's on there. So now hopefully we don't hit it when we drop the jack. Let's go ahead and do this carefully. Oh my god, that's hard one-handed. Alright, let me go ahead and drop the jack real quick. Hopefully it doesn't hit. Right. Hopefully we're good. Yeah, it's perfect. There it is. Alright, drop the screw. Cool. So that's how far out it sticks. I think that's as far out as I can make it. That way it still has some good bite up in here. So we have about an inch it's tucking inside the actual lip. Let's air it out, see what she looks like. Damn, that looks really good though. Let me move this. Look at that. Dude. And I am gonna be making as well. I wish I could have stuck it out a little bit more. But I think that's perfect though. I plan on making, again, the thing, but I wish it was lined up straight with that. But we'll play around with it, see how it looks. Right now, let's get it aired out. There she is, aired out. And damn, dude, this is almost on the floor. And then everything else is completely on the floor. That's how it looks. Whew, baby, that looks so good. Dude, what the hell? Oh, that's fire. I love that. Yeah, that looks really nice. So like I said, black it looks good, but I kind of low-key want to paint it color matched, just so it matches more. One thing is, because the front is so low, and now with this on as well, it's kind of flexing this a bit. So yeah, I mean, whatever, it is what it is. That looks really good though. I want to put a sticker. As you guys know, my car is like a I want to use it for fundraisers and whatnot for people with anxiety and mental health issues. So I think it'd be cool to put like a cool little quote or something. I think that'd be pretty dope. But comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to go ahead and leave this video off, guys. I know it was a short one, not too much involved, but for $26, 26 and then some paint, what, 30 bucks, it's a little bit of time. This is what you can go ahead and get. Again, I got it from Home Depot. It's fence posting, comes in a square, and yeah, you just cut it to what you want and you're golden. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys found it helpful, please make sure to leave that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Hope to catch you all in the next one. Until next time, as always, peace out.